What's up everyone? Welcome to another video. In this video, I will answer the popular question of how well does a moving blanket vocal booth block sound? I built this a year ago and I made a full tutorial video for it, and I use it to record the audio for all of my YouTube videos. The purpose of a vocal booth is to absorb echoes and reflections, resulting in clean audio with no reverberations. However, I get a lot of comments on the build video asking how well it blocks sound from coming through. If there's a bunch of talking and noise on the outside, will I hear it on the inside? And when I'm talking and singing on the inside, will people hear it on the outside? The answer is that it's not very effective at blocking sounds. A soundproof booth is a whole nother animal. But in this video, we'll fully test the blanket and you can hear the sound blocking results for yourself. First, we'll test how well it blocks sound from the outside when I'm inside. I'll set up an audio recording device on the inside to record what it sounds like in there. Then I'll stand on the outside and talk at different distances away.
And here I am in the vocal booth. This is me talking normal. I'm talking normal in the booth. And this is talking loud. I'm talking loud in the vocal booth. And here's an alarm.
And now I'll play the audio that was recorded inside the booth as I talk at different distances on the outside.
All right, next to the booth, talking normal, talking normal. Talking loud, I'm talking loud. Alarms. Talking normal, I'm talking normal. Talking loud, I'm talking loud. Alarms. 20 feet away, I'm talking normal, I'm talking normal. Hey, how's it going? Talking loud, I'm talking really loud. Alarms. 30 feet away, talking normal, talking normal. I'm talking normal. Talking loud, this is loud talking. Alarms. 40 feet away, talking normal, this is normal talking. Talking loud, I'm talking really loud. Alarms. 50 feet away, I'm talking normal, this is normal talking. Talking loud, I'm talking really loud. This is loud talking. Talking normal, talking normal, this is normal talking. Talking loud, this is loud talking. I'm talking really loud.
So I could still be heard inside the booth when talking outside 60 feet away. But that was a clear open path. Let's go into the room next door, so I'm separated by the door and some walls.
Alright, so the booth is right through those walls. I'm talking normal. This is normal talking. Hey, how's it going? Talking loud. This is loud talking. I'm talking really loud. And this is the next floor up. The booth is right under there. Normal talking. I'm talking normal. How are you doing? Loud talking. This is very loud talking. I'm talking really loud.
Now let's test what some other typical sounds other than talking sound like at different distances.
Yo, this is a party. Party time. Whoa, 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 make the noises. Yeah, oh yeah, party. Hold on. Cool.
And that covers what it sounds like in the booth. Now let's test what people hear on the outside when I'm talking on the inside.
And I'm back in the vocal booth. This is me talking normal in the booth. Talking normal. And this is talking loud. This is me talking really loud in the vocal booth.
So I'll set up an audio recording device at different distances on the outside to record what it sounds like while I'm talking on the inside.
I'm talking normal. This is normal talking. And this is loud talking. I'm talking really loud. This is normal talking. I'm talking normal. And this is loud talking. I'm talking really loud. And I'm talking normal in the booth. Normal talking. And this is loud talking. I'm talking really loud in the booth. I'm talking normal in the booth. This is normal talking. And I'm talking loud in the booth. This is loud talking. I'm talking loud. And I'm talking normal in the booth. This is normal talking. Not loud talking. This is loud talking in the booth. This is normal talking in the booth. I'm talking normal. And now I'm talking really loud. This is loud talking in the booth. This is normal talking in the booth. I'm talking normal. And this is loud talking in the booth. I'm talking really loud. This is normal talking in the booth. I'm talking normal. And this is loud talking. I'm talking really loud in the booth. This is normal talking. I'm talking normal in the booth. And this is loud talking. I'm talking really loud in the booth. This is really loud.
And that gets us through it. Although it does a great job at recording clean audio with no reverberations or echoes, it does a horrible job blocking sound. As you heard, if there's people talking on the outside and making noise, you'll hear it inside. And when you're recording inside, people will hear it outside. Now you've heard it for yourself, and I hope that answers all of your questions. As always, I hope you found this helpful or entertaining. Subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.